Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So on the Ethereum daily chart, we are still holding above the orange Fibonacci support area, which is located between 2,407 and $3,167. So this is the support area from where we would like to see a reaction. Do we need a massive B wave? No. But in the yellow scenario, a wider ABC flat correction is likely. So we just have to prepare for it. The initial move down from the recent high in that case was the A wave. Then we could get a B wave bounce. This would be next before we go down in wave C and then recover to new highs. That would be one scenario, and this is valid as long as we're holding the $3,010 level. It might be that this is just a 1-2 setup and we go higher more directly, right? That would be the white scenario in which the B wave is not unfolding, but actually already completed mid-November. Either way, the focus is on higher prices on the daily time frame, as long as we are holding above the $2,400 level. A break below it is at the moment not expected, and pullbacks are seen as opportunities as long as movements to the downside remain corrective and we're holding above that support level. Yeah. So if we then form new highs and the market takes the price to new all-time highs, well, then there's an area that we should watch for a possible completion of the rally. And this area is highlighted in blue on the chart. It's located between 5,072 and $7,013. It's this area of 4 Fibonacci areas or 4 Fibonacci levels. And this is based on the calculation of the initial A wave and the B wave. So this is for the white count actually, if we go up more directly now. However, if the yellow scenario unfolds, then we might readjust this slightly. So it's a moving target area. It can easily still move. Let's take a look at the Ethereum chart then. And here the question is, like on the Bitcoin chart, do we get another low or not? If we get another low, I have to say the move down doesn't look impulsive, at least not the move down from the 21st of December high. So we might be dealing with a diagonal pattern if the yellow count extends further to the downside. But until we get more evidence for that, I'm watching for a B wave bounce. That B wave should take us to round about, well, at least above 3,550. We can also add a parallel trend channel that might guide us a little bit. So you see it's already positioned in the right way. We might, it might take us to round about 3,700, 3,800. But the condition is that we're holding above this micro support area and stay within the channel. Any break below would likely send us to the next support around $3,010. This is the swing low from mid-November. So the idea is we're watching for a bounce, some kind of a bounce from this area, but any break below micro support would likely lead to another low before that bounce happens. So there's this micro support area between the 78.6 retracement and 61.8 retracement to which the market reacted already, but the reaction is so far only in 3 waves, which means it is not clearly bullish and it is rather weak reaction. So next evidence or next indication that we've actually formed a low here, at least a local low, would be a break above 3,489, but yeah, this is just all very weak price action. So I'd like to see a bounce, and that's the main focus here on the smaller time frame. Whether this is already the low of the wave 2 and we go up more directly, we don't know that yet, okay? This will only become clearer once we form this rally, hold another higher low and rally higher. Then we have 5 waves up, which indicates, okay, probably the white wave 2 bottomed in the white scenario that I showed you on the daily chart, but we don't know that yet. Overall here, it's not looking too bad, but we need a bit more upside momentum as we're heading into the New York session. Yeah. So that's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.